Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off vertical tabs in Google Chrome on your Mac. If you've enabled vertical tabs and want to go back to the classic layout with tabs at the top, it's super quick to do. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your Mac. If your tabs are currently displayed on the left side, simply right-click anywhere on the vertical tab panel. You'll see an option called Show Tabs Horizontally. Click on it, and your tabs will instantly move back to the top of the browser. That's the fastest way to switch back. If you don't see that option, there's another method you can use. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, select Appearance. Look for the tab position option and change it from vertical back to horizontal. As soon as you do that, your tabs will return to the default layout. And that's it. Vertical tabs are now turned off on your Mac. If you found this helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.